Since last year, I've been part of the Audi team, which is really a dream come true for me. A lot has happened since then, and it's all been geared towards this ultimate goal, finally driving all the action to create the electric on a film in the Audi S1 hoonitron. Let's have a look into what it took to bring this car to life. Technologically, this is by far the most advanced drift car I have ever driven. The components and the overall package of the car is beyond my expectations. For me, this is the future, and I look forward to playing a part in creating it. I see Audi as the geniuses behind the car and us as their racing team. So like any racing team would, we've added our own spin on the livery. This livery is essential to me and is also a part of my race suit. On projects like this, you form a bond with the team as we clearly see that everyone strives for perfection. With this setup, we started from scratch. We had to figure out what will work for me and what I want the car to do. The Audi engineers and the Hoonigan Racing Division team worked in sync to refine the Audi S1 hoonitron. So this is one of those projects that one will never forget. And after this, well, I'm very excited about what Audi and myself will come up with next.
We are so excited Ken joined the Audi team. Our shared passion for performance and stunning design perfectly came together in the Audi S1 e-tron Quattro hoonitron. Together we have one goal: to electrify Gymkhana. The S1 hoonitron is a fully electric prototype and one that pays tribute to our glorious motorsport past, but at the same time blazes the trail for our exciting future. And real-life example of Vorsprung durch Technik. Creating a high-performance drift car obviously comes with numerous technical challenges. Our team, as it always does, tackled these issues and the results speak for themselves. You can only achieve such stunning success with a fantastic team. And with Ken behind the wheel, we have the perfect driver. It is easy to see why the S1 hoonitron will become a real icon.
Working with Ken and the Hoonigan team has been very special. We all together came up with the idea to create a modern interpretation of the S1 bike speak. This vehicle is for me 100% Audi. There's a narrow body, narrow cabin, and a wide track. And the result is that we have 4 strong muscles on top of all 4 wheels. That's Audi, and this is in perfection visible in this vehicle.
Craftsmanship and love for intelligent performance are what we stand for. At Audi, we have a lot of experience with electric racing components, and therefore combining the world of rally and circuit racing in one project was very exciting.
It was a big challenge for us to combine an electric powertrain with a short wheelbase. We were forced to find a very special position for the battery because the center of gravity of this car has to be in the front and not in the rear.
If you have a look at the car, the way that it manages to connect the progressive Audi design language while giving this nod towards our Quattro rally heritage. We pick the key features and characteristics and we try to boost their